Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Parokshanubhuti. Sri Shankara Bhagavad Pada tells that to get the Aparokshanubhuti, he expounds the 15 steps. Aparoksha is direct, not indirect. Anubhuti is experience. The experience of Brahman, exact meaning of that. Aparoksha Anubhuti is nothing but self-realization and experience the Brahman. When we say Brahman, we understand 2-3 things. I am Atma Brahman. Myself, Atma and Brahman are not different. That soul is not the body, mind and all, we discussed at length in Shankara's Nirvana Shataka. To get this Aparoksha Anubhuti or self-realization or knowing that Brahman, Shankara tells 15 steps he gives. You will be interested to know that 15 steps, if earnestly followed, will lead us to desired goal. I am aware that I am taking to a subject little tough, so immediately I remember also Shankara's writing on that. Aparoksha Anubhuti. Atman, that is absolute existence, cannot be realized without constant practice. To this extent, all we agree. What is the absolute existence? Is only Atman. What is Atman? That is Brahman. What is Brahman? That is Ambal, who is both consciousness and energy. This cannot be realized without the constant practice. So, one seeking this after this knowledge should meditate long upon Brahman. When I use the word Brahman, please understand, I don't repeat. Brahman I am using here is, I am referring to self. I am referring to self as a female entity, which is both supreme cosmic consciousness and supreme cosmic energy. Whenever I use the Brahman, you understand this. The moment I use the word Brahman here, I am referring to the self. I am referring to Atman. I am referring to that which is supreme cosmic consciousness as well supreme cosmic energy. The realization of this Brahman cannot come in a day. It requires years of strenuous efforts. So, one should not give up the practice even if one meets with failure in the initial stages, but should continue it with renewed enthusiasm and vigor. Sri Ramakrishna, his words are remembered now. A bona fide cultivator never gives up his cultivation even if there is no crop for a few years. He continues it with ever increasing zeal till he reaps a good harvest. This should be the attitude of a true aspirant. Many times the crops fail. It doesn't stop. He continues. Same. Our efforts should be continued to realize the Brahman.